Welcome back, second grade writers. Today we're going to continue with lesson 11 for Unit 5, Module A. Let's look at our conventions objective. I will be able to rearrange complete simple sentences, and our writing objective is I will be able to write an opinion piece to state my opinion and supply reasons that support the opinion. So we're continuing with the same writing objective. Rearrange simple sentences. You can rearrange the words in sentences to make your writing flow more smoothly or to put more emphasis on a specific idea. So let's look at our example here. The original sentence is, legends about Johnny Appleseed were included by the author. And then the revised one is the author includes legends about Johnny Appleseed. So by rearranging the words, the writing sounds better. The verb includes is stronger and more active than saying were included. Okay, so now in your online writing journal, I would like for you to do numbers 1 and number 2. Okay, so you're going to rearrange simple sentences, rearrange the words in the simple sentences below. Number 1 says, in 1838, John moved to Indiana. Number 2 says he was given the name Johnny Appleseed by settlers. Now I already did number 1 for you as an example, so a way to rearrange the sentence to have it flow more smoothly, we would write John moved to Indiana in 1838. Now see if you can do number 2 by yourself. Opinion writing. When you give your opinion, you share what you think about something and support it with reasons and examples. Remember when you identified similarities and differences between the text John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer, and Johnny Appleseed, then noted those on a class Venn diagram? We then use this Venn diagram to make a list of points you can use in your opinion piece. So you can now revisit your lists and opinion statements to write a more fully developed opinion piece about which text you found to be more useful. Your opinion piece should only include the reasons that seem to best support your opinions. So here's our Venn diagram. If you remember, what's on the outside is what the two texts, how are they different? And then in the middle is how are they the same? Okay, so John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer is longer, has more facts and stories, and has headings for a text feature. Johnny Appleseed is very short, gives basic facts about his life, and has a timeline for its text feature. Now they're the same because they give facts about how Johnny Appleseed started his orchards. When you are writing an opinion piece, you should first state what you think about a text and then give a reason or an example that shows why you think this is. You should use your list to state your opinion and then support it with reasons. So keep these questions in mind. What is the topic of my opinion piece? What is my opinion about the text I chose? What reasons can I use to support my opinion? And how can I use linking words to connect my opinion and reasons? Let's look at an example. The books John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer, and Johnny Appleseed both give facts about the life of Johnny Appleseed. I think John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer is a better book because it gives more detailed information about Johnny Appleseed and his life. The first sentence identifies the title of each book. It also gives one similarity between the two books. The next sentence uses the word I, states an opinion, and supports it with a reason. The word because links the writer's opinion with a reason that supports it. So draft an opinion piece. Introduce a topic. Think about how you could introduce the writing topic with one sentence. Remember that the first sentence should include the title of both books. So for example, John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer, and Johnny Appleseed are both books that give information about the life and work of Johnny Appleseed. So state an opinion. Remember that opinions are neither right nor wrong, and that an opinion must be supported with reasons. Also remember to use the word I when you state your opinion. Review the points you listed in the previous lesson. Identify a point or reason that supports one of the opinions you recorded on the chart paper. Remember to focus on what makes one text more useful or informative than the other text. So here's an example. John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer, and Johnny Appleseed are both books that give information about the life and work of Johnny Appleseed. I think John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer is a more informative book. John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer helps readers understand what life was like when Johnny Appleseed lived. Johnny Appleseed just gives very basic information about his life. So now in your online writing journal, you're going to go back, right? You're going to look at the list of points you would like to include in your opinion piece. This says on a separate sheet of paper, but as always, you're going to be typing it in the Google document that's your writing journal. Write a draft of your opinion about which book you feel is more informative about John Chapman's life: John Chapman, Planter and Pioneer, or Johnny Appleseed. Remember to use linking words to connect your opinions and reasons. So this is very similar to what we just did in Lesson 10, but I would like you to add on to your response. I am here if you have any questions. Please just let me know on my Google Classroom. Thank you.